Hi buddy, hope you are doing good. Let's get started. In this video, we are going to explore different options under the video section of the HiggsField website. Before we begin, I want you to know that this is the third part of the HiggsField AI tutorial series. So I highly recommend you to watch the first two videos. The link is in the description. We will go through Create Video, LipSync Studio, Draw to Video, Sketch to Video, and HiggsField Animate features with an example for each. Click on Create Video link. Here, at first place, you have the option to choose a video template. When you click on it, you'll see several AI models, each offering preset templates. You can select any of them if you want to generate a video based on a ready-made template. I'll not choose any template. Let's create a completely new video from scratch. Below this, you'll see an upload button. This lets you upload a reference image. The AI uses this image as a base to create the video. This selection is optional. Next, there's a prompt section. Here, you can give clear instructions to the AI to generate your desired video. Let's enter the prompt. I will keep the prompt in the video description for your reference. Next, you can choose from multiple AI models provided by different sources. In this demo, we'll use the Sora 2 model. We'll explore other models in upcoming videos. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Next, set the video duration. Longer durations will consume more credits. Next, choose the desired aspect ratio. That's it. You are ready to go. Click on the Generate button. It will take some time to process. Let's watch it.
Hey, if you like this video even a little bit, then please give it a thumbs up. It makes my laptop believe I'm doing something productive. And maybe subscribe? I promise I won't spam you unless you count good content as spam. See, I clearly need your support.
Not bad, but could have been better. Expand the video section and click on LipSync Studio. Here, at first place, you have the option to choose a template from different models. Next, you'll see an upload button. This lets you upload an image of the person to sync their lips with the speech. Let's upload an image. Next, you have an option to generate audio by typing text, or upload an existing audio to LipSync. The person in the image will speak this text. Let's enter text. Next, you have an option to enter the prompt describing the scene. That's it. You are ready to go. Click on Generate button. It will take some time to process. Let's have a look.
Your career is safe, but your comfort zone isn't. Learn AI to stay ahead.
Beautifully done, isn't it? Expand the video section and click on Draw to Video. Here, you can convert a sketch or an image to a video clip by giving instructions through drawing or typing on the image itself. You can upload an image directly or create a blank page and then build the image. Let's click on Upload and upload a tiger sketch. Let's add a text by clicking on the T icon and write the instruction on the image. Let's write, transform the sketch to real tiger and make it move with roaring. That's it. You are ready to go. Click on Generate button. Wow, it just nailed it. Next is Sketch to Video, and it is similar to Draw to Video. All the steps are same. Only difference is that it uses OpenAI's Sora 2 model to generate video. Expand the video section and click on HiggsField Animate. Here, you can generate an animated video by uploading an image and a video clip. The image you upload will replace the human character in the video to create animation. Let's first upload an image of an animal. Let's upload a video clip. Choose the video you want to animate. In this clip, you can see a man performing some action sequences. You can see the AI model is WAN 2.2. Choose the resolution as needed. Click on Generate button. It's generating the video. Let's watch it. You can compare the uploaded clip and generated video. You see, in both the clips everything is same except the performer. Kindly like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. That's it for this video. We will see you in the next video.